10 hacks for building credit. Building credit doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're starting from zero or trying to bounce back after a setback, there are simple moves you can make to raise your score fast. Today, I'm giving you 10 powerful hacks you can start using right now to build strong credit and set yourself up for long-term financial freedom. Hack number 1, open a secured credit card. A secured card is one of the easiest ways to start. You put down a refundable deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. Use it responsibly, pay on time, and your credit history starts growing. Hack number 2, become an authorized user. If you have a trusted family member or friend with good credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user on their card. Their positive history can boost your score quickly. Just make sure they manage their card well. Hack number 3, pay on time. Every time. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Set up auto pay or reminders so you never miss a due date. Even one late payment can set you back. Hack number 4, keep utilization low. Credit utilization is how much of your limit you're using. Aim to stay under 30% and under 10% if possible. For example, if your limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Hack number 5, request credit limit increases. Once you've shown good payment habits, ask for a credit limit increase. A higher limit with the same spending lowers your utilization, which can boost your score. Hack number 6, mix your credit types. A good mix of credit, like a credit card, a small loan, or a credit builder account, shows lenders you can handle different kinds of debt responsibly. Hack number 7, use credit builder loans. Platforms like Self or your local credit union offer credit builder loans. You make small monthly payments into a locked savings account, then get the money back at the end, and your payments get reported to the credit bureaus. Hack number 8, check your credit report. Go to annualreport.com and pull your report from all 3 bureaus. Dispute any errors you find. They could be hurting your score without you even knowing. Hack number 9, don't close old accounts. Length of credit history matters. Keep older accounts open and active, even if you don't use them much. They help your average account age stay high. Hack number 10, be patient and consistent. Credit growth is like building muscle. It takes time. Stick with these habits for 6 to 12 months and you will see steady improvements. Bonus tip, avoid too many hard inquiries. Space out credit applications at least 3 to 6 months apart. And always keep track of your progress so you can celebrate each milestone. Building credit doesn't have to be stressful. Start with 1 or 2 of these hacks today and watch how your score improves over time. Share this video with someone who's trying to get their credit right, and let's build financial freedom together. Start stacking today. Join Coinbase with my link in the description and get free Bitcoin just for signing up. Don't wait.